of Arayat Cubao. And the race is on. Prince Birdie from the outside. Chuchinelli. Ideal view down on the inside. Rushing up by Dralis Aras. Mike's Dancer on the further outside. And running down on the inside is Loretta. Chuchinelli. Ideal view in between runners. Running by Dralis Aras. And moving up now is Livingstone. Aras by a full neck, followed by Ideal View from the outside. And rushing up is Federer on the further outside. Chuchinelli. Livingstone down on the inside. Prince Birdie. And rounding the far turn, Ideal View. Aras, Mike's Dancer. And on the outside is Chuchinelli. Federer. As they race the last 450, it's Ideal View, Mike's Dancer on the outside, Aras and Federer. As they race the last 200, Ideal View via length and half, Mike Dancer on the outside, Aras done on the inside. Ideal View and Mike's Dancer on the outside, Ideal View, Mike's Dancer, Aras. And finally, Ideal View. Close Aras, Mike's Dancer. And close for fourth between entry number 6 Chuchinelli